Alright, I just installed my new car alarm. Let's see how it works, okay? Come follow me. Pardon me, please back away from the vehicle. Please back away from the vehicle. Thank you. Please back away from the vehicle. Please back away from the vehicle. Thank you.
Please move your Acura, sir. Please move your Acura, sir. It is too close to my vehicle. It is too close to my vehicle. Please move your Acura, sir. Thank you. Thank you. You, sir, in the Acura need to move your car. Please move your car. You're obviously not listening to me. Please move your vehicle, or I will get frustrated and angry. Please move your car. Thank you. I'm getting angry. Can't you tell by my vocal tone? The box is too big for the trunk. The box is too big for the trunk. Put it in the back seat. Put it in the back seat. Those are nice balloons. Those are nice balloons. Please keep them away from my car. Hot stuff. Pull up to the bumper, baby. Hit it from the back. Can I give you a call sometime? I'm right over here, the white car behind you. Would you like to go out on a date? I can pick you up. Hey, hot stuff, show me what you're working with. Thank you. Aw, isn't that nice? In love. Please get your love away from my car. Take your love elsewhere. Thank you. Computer nerds, back away. Thank you. Back away from the vehicle. Senior citizen discounts inside. Excuse me, ma'am. Could you please move the box approximately 2 feet further away from the vehicle? Approximately 2 feet further away from the vehicle. Thank you. Don't make me get any more angry than I already am. Please move the box. This car will self-destruct in 1 minute. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Please step away from the vehicle. Something terrible will happen. Something terrible will happen. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heck, 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 heck. Heck, 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 heck. Honk, 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 honk.